Hello everyone and welcome back to our series on ISO 22716, the international standard for good manufacturing practices in the cosmetics industry. In this session, we'll be focusing on the essential guidelines for premises and equipment. Maintaining a clean, well-organized and properly equipped production environment is crucial to ensuring the quality and safety of cosmetic products. Importance of premises and equipment in cosmetic manufacturing. The premises and equipment used in the production of cosmetics play a vital role in preventing contamination and ensuring that products meet the required safety and quality standards. ISO 22716 provides clear guidance on how to design, maintain, and monitor premises and equipment to minimize risks. Premises requirements in ISO 22716. Let's begin by looking at the premises. ISO 22716 emphasizes that the design and layout of the facility should support good manufacturing practices. Key requirements include cleanliness and organization. The production facility must be kept clean and well organized at all times. This means that there should be no accumulation of waste, dirt, or unnecessary materials that could lead to contamination. Cleaning schedules should be established and the facility should be regularly inspected to ensure compliance with hygiene standards. Layout and flow. The layout of the premises should allow for a logical flow of materials from raw ingredients to finished products. This minimizes the risk of cross-contamination between different stages of production. Clean areas and non-clean areas should be clearly separated with strict protocols in place to prevent contamination from personnel or equipment. Environmental control. The environment within the production facility should be carefully controlled. Factors such as temperature, humidity, and air quality can have a significant impact on the stability and quality of cosmetic products. ISO 22716 recommends regular monitoring of these conditions to ensure that they remain within acceptable limits. Now let's move on to equipment. The equipment used in cosmetic production is just as important as the premises. It must be suitable for the intended purpose and maintained in a way that ensures product safety. Here are the key guidelines for equipment in ISO 22716. Equipment design and maintenance. Equipment should be designed to minimize the risk of contamination and be easy to clean. Regular maintenance is essential to ensure that the equipment continues to function correctly and does not introduce foreign particles or substances into the product. This includes regular cleaning, calibration, and repair to avoid breakdowns that could impact production. Cleaning and disinfection. The cleaning of equipment is a critical part of ISO 22716. All equipment used in the production process must be thoroughly cleaned and, where necessary, disinfected to prevent contamination. Detailed cleaning procedures should be in place, including instructions on cleaning agents, frequency, and methods to be used. Storage and handling. When not in use, equipment should be stored in a manner that prevents contamination or damage. This includes proper labeling, organization, and monitoring of storage areas. Equipment that is not functioning correctly or needs repair should be clearly marked and isolated from production areas until it is fixed. Calibration. Equipment used to measure and monitor product quality, such as scales or temperature sensors, must be regularly calibrated to ensure accurate and consistent results. ISO 22716 emphasizes the importance of keeping detailed records of all calibration activities, preventing contamination through premises and equipment management. Preventing contamination is the central goal of ISO 22716, and managing the premises and equipment effectively is key to achieving this. Both the physical environment and the tools used in production can introduce contaminants if not properly managed, so it is essential to follow these guidelines closely. In summary, maintaining clean and well-structured premises along with properly maintained and calibrated equipment is fundamental to ensuring the safety, quality, and consistency of cosmetic products. By adhering to the guidelines set out in ISO 22716, businesses can reduce the risk of contamination, improve operational efficiency, and meet regulatory requirements. Thank you for joining for this session on premises and equipment in ISO 22716. In our next session, we are going to talk more about ISO 22716. Stay tuned for the next video, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you. Take care.